buildings every single day. But do you know what it actually takes to make the steel holding them up?
Ever wondered what it actually takes to build a skyscraper? It all starts with this raw iron pulled straight from the earth.
Speed holding steady at 65, cargo weight 12,500 tons. AI shows clear track ahead, adjusting throttle. Activating secondary cleaning stage. Adjusting electrode height for better arc stability.
AI confirms. Watch the power draw.
Chemistry confirmed, cast it.
Beam profile is drifting. Initiate auto correction.
Overriding now, gap adjusting. Auto adjust complete, dimensional accuracy restored. Beam passes, certified. Flange width confirmed. Web thickness verified. Scanning bundle label. Bundle ID confirmed, grade verified, shipment assigned. Attaching shipping tag. Let's check the digital twin for these outgoing orders. Looks good. Real-time tracking is updating. Load rising, cables taut, swinging right toward truck, aligning over flatbed now. Ready to chain it down? Yeah, let's secure this beam bundle. Good tension. Second bundle ready for truck 2. Copy, dunnage set. Crane to truck 3. Secure the load. Documents received, heading out. Escort lead, pilot here, clear on the left. Copy, pilot, you're clear, proceeding. Copy, turning now. Hold up, truck coming in. Okay, bring it through. Let's check the inventory. Looks like they have the W12 by 45. Here's the 3D model for your W12 by 26 beams. Looks good. Let's see the actual beam. Right here. Certified. Certified
A992, this is it.
Let's check the W12 26 beams.
Looks good. Run the compliance check.
It's verified. Placing the order now.
Perfect. Ready to unchain this beam bundle? Yeah, start now. Clear below. Bundle's ready to lift. Marks on the right. Threading now. Got it. Coming up. Hooked. Slack out. Clear. Lift. Easy now. Guide it steady. Pins are engaging. Hold. Perfect alignment. Clunk.
Connection good, market inspected.
Subscribe, drop a like, and share this with someone who loves how things are built. You use buildings every single day, but do you know